Recording. A very good morning to all. Let us start the topic active and passive voice. Zoom is not detecting my camera, so I am going to share the screen. At least this will be visible for you guys. Okay, we had a discussion about active and passive voice in the last class. I discussed a few points before you, and I said in active and passive voice, you can find or we can describe the voice in a way that it is used to describe whether a verb is in active or whether a verb is in passive voice. Okay, by looking at the verb, whether the verb is active or the verb is passive. If the verb is active, that is definitely with the tense form. If the verb is in the form of passive, the form is a little different. There it takes a form of be plus past participle form. Okay, according to the grammarians, active and passive voice are the two different ways of expressing one single idea without changing the meaning. We are not changing the meaning. We are changing one form of sentence into another form, and this process is called transformation of sentence. We are transforming an active voice sentence into passive voice without changing the meaning. Remember, in active voice, the subject is important, but in passive voice, the subject of the active voice becomes the object. So the subject is passive in passive voice. And also I instructed you in the last class, it is not possible for us to change all sentences into passive voice. Only those subjects with objects or those sentences with transitive verbs or the finite verb with an object can be turned into its passive form. Even if it is with a finite verb also, if there is no object, it is impossible for you to convert such a sentence into its passive form. And remember, there is no passive form for present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. It is not possible for us to convert these four tense form into its passive voice form. Am I clear? It is easy to recognize, it is easy to identify a sentence written in active, a sentence written in passive voice. If the sentence, it has a tense form, it is written in any one of the 12 tense form, then that is an active. If the verb is in the form of be in the sense it can be am, it can be is, it can be are in present, was or were in past. According to the subject, if the subject is singular, you can use in present am or is. If the subject is plural, you can use are. If the subject is singular in past tense, you can use was. If the subject is plural in past tense, you must choose where. Am is only restricted because am is or am can be written only with the subject I. Okay, keep this in your mind. And children, the next point we discussed here is transitive verbs and intransitive verbs, right? I've said transitive verbs in a simple definition. I have told you it is a finite verb that demands a direct object. A finite verb with an object is said to be the transitive verbs. If a finite verb, if it does not have an object after that, then it is called a intransitive verb. So we need to frame active voice only for the sentences with the transitive verbs. Okay, keep this in your mind. Now, let us discuss the points that you should remember when you convert a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Point number 1 we discussed is we need to interchange the position of subject of the active voice into the passive voice. We need to interchange the position of object of the active voice into passive. We are changing the position of subject with object, object with subject. When you convert a sentence from active to passive, the subject of the active voice goes into the place of object. The object of the active voice comes into the place of, it is placed into the place of subject in your sentence, interchanging the position of subject and object. Second one we discussed here. The second point that you should remember or that you must keep in your mind is we have to change the verb or the finite verb into the form of be form plus past participle form. Okay, we need to use the be form according to the tenses. If your sentence is written with the present, simple present form, you have to think about only the be form is, are, and am in your mind. Okay, if your sentence is in present, you can use only the be form am with I, is with he, she, it, or with singular subject, or with plural. At the same time, if your sentence is written with the past form of the verb, there you can use the be form was and were. Okay, and use be form plus past participle form of the verb instead of a finite verb in your passive voice sentence. Point number 3, it says that, okay, we have interchanged the position of subject with object, object with subject, and also we have written the verb into the form of be plus past participle form. The third point, we need to use a preposition by. I repeat, we have to or we must use a preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Okay, this is point number 3. We must place a preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Okay, these are the 3 points that you should remember. When you transform a sentence from active voice to passive voice, there are a few points to remember. First one, interchange the position of subject with object and object with subject. Second point, the finite verb must be changed into the form of be plus past participle form. Third point, I said, if it is a declarative sentence, we can place a preposition by before the object of the passive voice. Now, you know, sometimes your sentences are not beginning with or starting with a noun. Sometimes you may get a pronoun. Okay, the same pronoun cannot be used in the position of an object. Okay, so please, I request you to draw a box and please copy the pronoun changes. You are familiar with the subject pronouns. You are familiar with the object pronouns. I request everybody to take a scale, pencil, and a ruled paper and note the changes. Okay, if your active voice sentence is beginning with I, the subject pronoun, first person, I, the subject pronoun, when you change this I into passive, I must be changed into me. As you all know, by should be used before the object. So I have written by me here. Suppose if your subject is instead of a noun, if you have written you, the second person pronoun, the object form of the second person pronoun you is you itself. You can write you in the place of object pronoun. The object pronoun can be used instead of she in your passive voices. Her. They becomes them in passive voice. Subject pronoun becomes object pronoun in passive voice. We, first person, that can be changed into us. We becomes us. He, the subject pronoun, is changed into him. It, the subject pronoun, is changed into its. Harsh, it is a noun, so we can use the same noun. Whenever you write a noun, you can use capital letter to begin your noun. I request everybody to copy the staple, active voice and passive voice, how subject pronouns are changed into object pronouns. Is it over? Children, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Quick.
can you just repeat it once?
Can you just?
Repeat it once again.
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once more?
The change is an subject pronoun to object pronoun, right? Yeah, why
Yes,
not? Why not?
ma'am.
See, children, sometimes instead of a noun, we are starting our sentence. Suppose if the sentence is she sings. She sings a song, right? Here, I'm not writing Parvati sings a song, right? Or Gauri sings a song. Instead of a noun, I'm using a pronoun, right? So the same pronoun I cannot use in my objective or object's position. I cannot change she into, or I cannot write the pronoun she in the position of a object, because she is a subject pronoun. The subject pronoun cannot be repeated or cannot be used in the object position. So I have to prefer an object pronoun equivalent to she, the subject pronoun. So the equal pronoun or the equivalent pronoun which can be used instead of she, the subject pronoun, is her, her. Okay, so that is the object pronoun of the subject, she. Okay, so she becomes her in your passive voice sentence. If your sentence is starting with she in your active voice, then that must be changed into her in your passive voice after converting or after changing into an object position. Clear? Subject pronouns become object pronouns. Okay, now I have a few sentences here. Let us transform these sentences from active voice to passive voice. Okay, first question, Prajita, can you identify the voice of the first sentence?
Active voice,
Why? Tell me the reason.
ma'am, because the tense,
What is the tense of the sentence? Initially, identify
Simple.
the verb.
ma'am,
Eight is the verb. What is the tense, Prajita?
simple past,
Simple past. Okay, now change the sentence into passive voice.
the pieces are eaten by
The
Rahul.
pies. The pies.
The pies are eaten by Rahul.
See, you said the sentence is written in simple past, right? So are you able to use are in your sentence? Is it possible for you to
No,
use
ma'am.
are
No,
in
ma'am.
your sentence?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not. So what you are going to fix it here?
Was,
Is it was? Only one pie you are talking about, or there are many pies?
were.
Ah, this is more than one, right? So we must use where, Prajita. So the pies were
Eaten by Rahul.
eaten by Rahul. Okay, were eaten by Rahul. Okay, this is fine. Now, second sentence. I think I can ask second sentence to
Can
Pranav.
you please
Pranav
change the
Atma?
color?
Yes,
Yellow.
yes, of course, of course, of course. Which one you prefer? You tell me.
No, yellow we can't
Red?
see.
You want red?
And you take bright colors, ma'am.
I'll do one thing. This blue I'll prefer. Okay, second one. Okay, second one. I'll write there, okay? Second one, I think Pranavatmak. Pranavatmak, please give me the answer. Tell me whether the sentence is written in active voice or passive voice. Pranavatmak.
Ma'am, active voice.
This is written in active
Ma'am,
voice.
active.
Agree. Yeah. What is the verb of the sentence?
Play.
So tell me the tense.
Simple present.
Simple present. Of course, this is written in simple present tense. Okay, fine. Simple present. Now try to change the sentence into passive.
Played by us.
Could you please repeat?
Football is played by
Okay,
us.
object of the active voice becomes the subject. Football. This is singular or plural? Football.
Singular.
Okay, so which P form you're going to use as the sentence is written in simple present tense? Which we
Is.
have to use is. Football is
Played by us.
played by
Us.
us, because we, the subject
Us.
pronoun, becomes us, the object pronoun. Okay, now second one is over. Third one. Third one, who is ready? Who is ready with the third question? Third question.
What question is?
Third
Ma'am,
question.
is it the?
Ma'am, it's
It is the. Anyway, third question, that is in future tense. We'll discuss future tense in the next class. Okay. So I request Tanmay Himmat to change the fourth question. Fourth one.
Tomatoes were
Active or passive voice? First.
this is I grew tomatoes is active voice.
Active voice. Okay. What is the verb?
Grew.
Okay. Tell me the tense.
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay. Now please tell me the answer.
Tomatoes were grown by us.
Tomatoes. Tomato singular or plural?
Plural.
It is plural. So was or where?
Were.
Where? Tomatoes were?
Grown by us.
Yeah. Grown
Grown by me.
by
Me.
me. I becomes me. Okay, not us. If it is we, you can write us. This is I. So write by me. Okay. Next question. Gauri Parvati. Next question. The hunter killed the lion. Active voice or passive voice?
Active voice.
It is an
simple past.
active voice. Okay. Tense finite verb.
Killed.
Okay. Tense of the sentence.
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay. Change it.
The lion was killed by the hunter.
The lion was killed by
Killed
the
by the
okay,
hunter.
killed by the hunter. Okay. The lion was killed by the hunter. Now next question. I think I ask Lakshmi Chandra. Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
next sentence. The thief was caught by the police. Active or passive voice?
The voice, ma'am.
Ma'am Sununda, I gave him a book.
Lakshmi,
I'm active voice.
are you sure the sentence is written in active voice, Lakshmi? I asked a question. The thief was caught by the police. What is the finite verb then? Identify the finite verb written in that sentence. Check the verb. What is the verb written here in the sentence, Lakshmi?
Gave.
Huh? No, I'm talking about the thief was caught by the police.
Was caught.
Was caught. Tell me the tense form. Is it a finite verb, Lakshmi?
Ma'am, it's past.
It is passive. The sentence is written in passive voice because you can see a was and you can see a past participle form is used, right? It is written in passive voice because there is no proper tense form. There is no finite verb. So how you are going to change the sentence from passive voice to active voice? Lakshmi.
Police caught the thief.
Huh? Change the sentence from passive to active.
Ma'am, the police caught.
Okay, the police. The police. Come on. Try. You're right, my dear.
The police had caught the thief.
The police.
Has caught the thief.
See, the sentences with the was plus caught, right? So you can see the presence of the word was. When we change the sentence from active voice to passive voice, in which place we are using was plus past participle form? In a present tense or in a past tense?
Past tense.
It is in past tense, right? Whenever you get a sentence in simple past, you will be able to change such sentence from active voice to passive voice with the help of be plus past participle form. Isn't it, Lakshmi? Yes. So tell me now.
The police has caught the thief.
Why has? Again, has, that is written in present tense. Try, no problem. Make mistake and try. At last, you will get an answer. The thief was caught by the police. So you should begin your sentence with the police. I'm not sure.
Ma'am, the police caught the thief.
I'm not sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. I cannot hear, Amna.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
The police caught the thief.
It's very simple. The police caught, simple past form, right? The police caught the thief. Thief. Lakshmi, simple past tense. When you change the simple past tense into passive voice, you will get was caught, isn't it? Yes or no, Lakshmi? Lakshmi left. Lakshmi is not present here. Okay, next question. Annette Rose. Annette, next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Check the next question. A book is bought by her. Active voice or passive voice?
Passive voice.
Excellent. The sentence is written in passive voice. Tell me the verb.
Is brought. Is bought.
Is bought. Okay, is bought. Change the sentence.
She bring a book.
Excellent. Object pronoun must become a subject pronoun. So she
Bring
is
a
it bring?
book.
Is it bring? It is bought. It is not brought. If it is brought, you can say bring. Okay. This is bought. I bought a car. A book is bought by her. So what is the answer? Look at here. Annette, please look at here. If the verb is bring, you can say brought, brought. Okay. Brought, brought. So here it is bought, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought, bought. So what will be the verb? Annette? Is it bring or is it buy?
Buy.
It must be buy. Okay, buy becomes bought, bought. I bought a car. I brought a car is different from I bought a car, right? So here it is buy. So tell me the answer.
She buy a book.
She buy or she buys? As she is singular, we need to use a singular verb, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so what should be your answer? Tell me. Change the sentence into active. She
She buys a book.
buys a book.
Book.
Carolyn Matthew. Carolyn,
Yes, ma'am.
look at the next sentence. The ink is contained in the spot. Active or passive voice?
Passive voice.
This is in passive voice. Excellent. Okay. So verb, identify the verb written here.
Is contained.
Okay. So how you're going to change this into passive? Sorry, active.
This spot
The
contains
spot contains, excellent, contains
the ink.
the ink. Very good. The ink. Excellent, Carolyn. Good. Okay. So these are the changes. Now I have a few sentences for you. Try to change those sentences into passive. Okay. Sentence number 1. Pranav rides a bicycle. Pranav rides a bicycle. Pranav rides a bicycle. He posted a video. Pranav rides a bicycle. He posted a video. I received a letter. Teacher took action. He sold the bicycle.
Ma'am, can you
He
repeat?
sold the bicycle. Pranav reads a book. He wrote a story. He received a prize.
The
He
price or a
received
price?
the prize or a prize. He received a prize. Make it a prize. He received a prize. Okay. So I request Isa Jivaraj to repeat the sentences. Pranav, you are an award winner now.
Pranav rides a bicycle.
Mm.
He posted a video.
Mm.
I received a letter.
Mm.
Teacher took action.
Mm.
He sold the bicycle.
Mm.
Pranav reads a book. He wrote a story.
Mm.
He received a prize.
Okay. I request everybody to change these sentences into the next voice. If it is written in active, change it into passive. If it is written in passive, change it into active. Make necessary changes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
last class you gave an activity, right? So can you repeat it once more?
I think I was given a few sentences for preparing interchanging of making an album, drawing, sketches, right? What I said, children? The activity, what
Ma'am,
was?
you gave one sentence and
Only one
explain
sentence.
about. Ma'am, one sentence and explain about how to change into passive voice.
Diagrammatic representation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you also
What was
gave
the
extra
sentence? What was
word
the sentence given?
sentences. He sells a book.
He
Sells a book.
sells a book. This was the sentence given.
You
See, you
also
please,
gave
anyway,
6
when you come, your
sentences.
grammar notes must be completed. Your portfolio should be ready. I want all these assignments and activities in it also. Okay. So please make it ready. All subject note that must be completed. I'll ask for a submission at the earliest.
Ma'am, you gave extra sentences.
Ma'am, can you
in
tell
the
the
activity.
sentences after Pranav reads the book?
After Pranav reads the book, what was the sentence, Isa?
He wrote a story.
Pranav, don't sell your bicycle, okay? You can, by reading a story, you can also ride a bicycle. There is nothing wrong. Teacher won't take an action against you. That is a very good exercise. Go for cycle ride every day. Okay, Johan, can you change the first sentence from one form to the other form? Johan, what was the question given? First question. Johan's video is not working, so I'm just moving from Johan to Angelia Baijo. Angelia? Angelia, can you hear me? Angelia, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Switch on the video.
Ma'am, I have a network issue. That's why my video is off.
Okay. Read the first sentence. Angelia? Angelia? I cannot hear. Shane John, read first sentence.
Pranav rides a bicycle.
Pranav rides a bicycle. Rides a bicycle. Okay. Active or passive voice?
Ma'am, active voice.
Tense form.
Ma'am, simple present.
Simple present. How are you going to change?
Ma'am, a bicycle
A bicycle.
is rode by Pranav.
A bicycle is. What is the past participle form of the verb ride?
Ma'am, rode,
No.
Ridden.
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 Ma'am,
Spelling of ridden.
RIDDEN.
R-I. Change on.
Yes, ma'am.
R-I.
Ma'am,
Ah,
RIDDEN.
excellent. R-I-D-D-E-N. Ridden. A bicycle is ridden
By Pranav.
by Pranav. Okay, by Pranav. So you must know the past participle form of all the verbs. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to change. Second question. I think I can ask this question to Parvati Menon. Parvati, read the second question.
Yes, ma'am. He posted a video.
He posted a video. Okay, Parvati. Identify the voice.
Active voice.
Finite verb.
Posted.
Tense form.
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay, change this.
A video was posted by him.
A video
Was
was
posted by him.
posted by him. Okay, posted by him. Excellent. Next one, Bahaja. Bahaja,
Yes, ma'am.
give me third
I
question.
received a letter.
I
Received a letter.
received a letter. Okay. Identify the
Active
voice.
voice. Active voice.
Okay, finite verb.
Received.
Tense form.
Simple past.
Okay, how can you change this?
A letter was received by me.
Okay, a letter was
Received by me.
received by me. Okay, very good. Isa, question number 4.
Teacher took action.
Teacher took action. Voice.
Active voice.
Finite verb.
Took.
Tense form.
Simple past.
Okay. The other voice.
Action was taken by the teacher.
Action was taken by the teacher. Okay.
Ma'am, is it by the teacher or by teacher?
By the teacher. Okay, here it is the teacher. Make it the teacher. By the teacher is the right usage. Hessa, fifth question.
He sold the bicycle.
Hessa, he
Sold the bicycle.
sold the bicycle. It is bicycle. Bicycle thief. It's a very popular movie. Bicycle thieves. So it's bicycle. He sold the bicycle. Voice.
Active.
Okay. Tense.
Sold, simple past.
Okay. Change.
The bicycle was sold by him.
The bicycle was sold by him. Children, it's time. I'm sorry, the next teacher is already here waiting. Okay, so we'll discuss the answers in the next class. Thank you for coming here. Bye, and
Thank
meet
you,
you in the next
Thank you,
class.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.